Hello, and welcome back to Masters of Coding. We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey into the world of programming. Remember, taking on a new skill, especially one as powerful as programming, can seem like a challenge. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Today marks day 2 of our deep dive into Python, a language celebrated for its readability and versatility. If you're completely new to programming, don't worry, we're starting from the basics to ensure everyone feels comfortable and confident. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid understanding of what Python is, its historical significance, and the key features that make it a favorite among both beginners and seasoned developers. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Python? In the simplest terms, Python is a programming language. Think of it as a set of instructions you give to a computer to make it perform specific tasks. Just like we use languages like English or Spanish to communicate with each other, we use programming languages to communicate with computers. What sets Python apart is its emphasis on readability. The language is designed to be easy to understand, even if you've never written a line of code before. Its syntax, which is the set of rules for writing code, is very close to everyday English. This clarity makes Python a great language to start with because it helps you grasp the core concepts of programming without getting bogged down by complex syntax. You'll find that writing in Python often feels like writing out your thoughts in a logical, step-by-step manner. This focus on readability not only makes learning smoother, but also makes it easier to maintain and debug your code as your projects grow more complex. Python has a rich history, dating back to the late 1980s. It was created by Guido van Rossum at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. Guido's goal was to develop a language that was both easy to learn and powerful enough to handle a wide range of tasks. He named his creation Python, not after the snake, but after the British comedy group Monty Python's Flying Circus, of which he was a fan. This playful origin story hints at the accessibility and fun that Python aims to bring to programming. Over the years, Python has evolved significantly with a vibrant and dedicated community contributing to its growth. Today, it's one of the most popular programming languages in the world, used by millions of developers, educators, researchers, and hobbyists alike. Python's popularity stems from a blend of powerful features that make it incredibly versatile. As we've discussed, Python's clean syntax and focus on readability make it an ideal choice for those new to programming. Python is an interpreted language, which means you don't need to compile your code before running it. This allows for faster development and testing cycles. Python runs seamlessly on various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it a highly portable choice. Python boasts a vast collection of libraries, pre-written code modules that provide ready-made solutions for a wide array of tasks. This saves you time and effort, as you don't have to reinvent the wheel for common programming needs. Python has a massive and active community of developers worldwide. This means abundant resources, tutorials, and forums are available to help you if you ever get stuck. Section 5. Why choose Python? Given these features, it's no surprise that Python has become a top choice for a wide range of applications. Whether you're looking to build websites and web applications, Python's frameworks like Django and Flask simplify web development, allowing you to create dynamic and interactive web experiences. Automate tasks. Python excels at automating repetitive tasks, from organizing files to scraping data from websites. Analyze data. With libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and SciPy, Python provides powerful tools for data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. Explore artificial intelligence. Python is a leading language in the field of AI, with libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch powering cutting-edge research and applications. No matter your area of interest, Python offers a solid foundation and a wealth of resources to support your journey. Section 6. Python in action. Who's using it? Python's versatility has led to its widespread adoption across various industries and by some of the biggest names in tech. Google, where Python is a core language used extensively in their search engine, applications, and internal tools. Instagram, whose backend, handling millions of users and photos, is largely built on Python's Django framework. Spotify leverages Python for data analysis, recommendations, and backend services. And Netflix, where Python plays a crucial role in recommendation algorithms, content delivery, and data analysis. This is just a glimpse into the vast landscape of Python's real-world applications. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, Python is a driving force in technology and innovation. Section 7. Your future with Python. Learning Python opens up a world of possibilities. As the demand for skilled programmers continues to rise, Python proficiency can be your ticket to a rewarding and fulfilling career. Consider these in-demand roles: Python developer, specializing in building web applications, back-end systems, or data-driven applications using Python. Data scientist, analyzing large data sets, extracting insights, and building predictive models using Python's data science libraries. Machine learning engineer, developing and deploying machine learning algorithms and systems. And web developer, creating dynamic websites and web applications using Python frameworks. These are just a few examples of the exciting career paths available to those with Python skills. The versatility of the language ensures a wide range of opportunities across various industries. Section 8. Keep the learning going. Congratulations on completing day 2 of your Python journey. Remember, consistency is key when learning something new. Practice regularly, work through coding challenges, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. If you enjoyed this session and found it valuable, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for more coding content, and leaving a comment below. Let us know what you'd like to learn next, or any questions you have about Python. Happy coding!